Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can apply the power rule of derivative. So we have y equals to s to the power over of n. So if we do first derivative of y, we have an s to the power of n minus number 1. So we can apply the formula in here. And that should be like this. Later that we need to do first derivative of cotangent 7s. Next, first derivative of cotangent, we have about negative cosecant of 7s squared. Later that, we need to do first derivative of 7s. And this one, we have number 1. So we just have only number 7. And now we need to simplify 7, number 5, and negative. And we can put negative 35 in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.